Good morning, myself Ncert, your maths teacher, and we will discuss the representing of non-terminating repeating decimal in expansion in P by Q form. Mean how we can represent non-terminating repeating decimal in P by Q form of second type. In previous video, we discussed the non-terminating repeating decimal in P by Q form. The repeated number just after the decimal. And now what is the difference? Here is repeated number after two digit of the after the decimal. Then what is the way to solve it? There are two or three methods to solve these type of question. And the first method, and you can do by any method. First method, let x is equal to 0.127 bar. What is the meaning of this bar? Mean this 7 is repeating again and again and again. Mean we can say x is equal to 0.127777 dash dash dash. And we have to assume this is equation number first. It is equation number first. And in previous video what I told you that you have to check how many digits are repeated after decimal. Here is only the one digit 7 is repeated. Then what I told you, put number of 0 which is equal to the number of digit repeated. Here is only one digit 7 is repeated. Therefore I put only 1 0, and after that we have to place 1, means the number is 10. So that means we have to multiply it by 10 on both sides. 10 on both sides. Multiply by 10 on both sides. तो what we will get now? हमें क्या मिलेगा? Yesterday I explained 10 को इससे multiply करेंगे 10 को इससे. Means 10 into x is equal to 10 multiply means 0.127777 dash 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 dash, and then 10 multiply to any decimal expansion 0.12777. If multiplied by 10, then this decimal will transfer, yes, shifted. When we multiply by 10, 100, 1000, any least 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 2 digit number. This is the 2 digit number, least 2 digit number, least number. If you multiply the least 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 6 digit number, 7 digit number, we have to count the number of zeros in that number. After counting the zero, you have to shift the decimal. You have to shift the decimal, the number of zero toward the right. जितनी जीरो हैं डेसिमल उतने ही डिजिट आगे राइट में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. Here are how many zeros? 1. So that decimal will shifted to 0, 1.27 dash 777 dashes, and need not to put 0 at here. I think you know it very well. And multiplied by 10, then what is your answer? 10x is equal to decimal will shifted toward the right. Decimal कहाँ जाएगा? Toward the right. यहाँ पर आएगा 1.2777. That will be repeated. This will be equation number second. And then subtract first from second. First from second. So we have to subtract first from second. So first we have to write the second equation. Either we have to subtract in row wise or column wise. First we have to write second. So 10x is equal to 1.27. 1.2777 dash 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 dash. And here is x is equal to 0.127 dash dash dash. This is equation number second and this is equation number first. Sub 10x is equal to 1.2777 dash dash dash, means 7 is repeated again and again. X is equal to 0.12777. Equation number first, and we have to subtract. Subtract means sign change. 7 0 7 0 0 0 and this will be 0 0 and need not to write this. So 0 0 and here is 5 and here is 1, here is point, here is 1 equal to 10x minus x is equal to 9x, and your answer is 9x 770 770 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, point is same, 1 minus 0 that is 1. 10x minus x is equal to 9x. 9x is equal to 1.15. Here is 9 is multiplied, then it will be divided. 9 is multiplied. 9 is multiplied by x. So that will be, when we transfer toward the right, so x is equal to 1.15 upon 9. And now what is your answer? X equal to 115 upon 9. And now how many zeros? 1 or 2? After decimal there are 2 digits, so I have to put 2 zeros. And after that we have to simplify. 5, 2, 5, 3. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Here is 5, 5 1s are 5, 4, 5, 8 and this will be 0. I think there is no simplification after that. Then the x is equal to 23 upon 180. Therefore, we can express 0.127 is equal to 23 upon 188. This is the decimal expansion of non-terminating repeating decimal in P by Q form. If the question will ask for 1 marks on MCQ, we can solve a direct method. Yesterday I told you that here is 0.127 bar, we have to check, is equal to what I told you that write the complete number, ये आपने पूरा नंबर लिख देना है and subtract कौन सा नंबर, the number which is not terminating. After the number, the remaining number which are not terminating, not repeated, which are not repeated, we have to subtract 12. ये हमने माइनस करना अपॉन में हाउ मेनी डिजिट आर रिपीटेड, जितने डिजिट रिपीट हो रहे हैं 9 इज रिपीटेड, तो 9 और जितने रिपीट हो रहे डेसिमल के बाद आफ्टर डेसिमल दिस विल बी 0 and 0 and this will be 115 upon में 51 upon में 900. This is the direct method to find out in P by Q form. Is it clear? And now we will go to the second type. If there are 2 digits are repeated, B part 0.376 and this will be bar. Here is bar. And now express in P by Q form. First what we do? Let. Again same method. Let. What we have to do? Now you tell me x is equal to which digit is repeated? 7 and 6. तो in what form we can write 0.3767676 dash 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 dash. It is equation number first. And then how many digits are repeated? Just you tell me. Do fast, answer it. How many digits are repeated? 2. So it means how many zeros we have to put? 2 zeros we have to put. 2 zeros and 1. So it means multiplied by which number? किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? By 100 on both side. तो multiplied by 100 on both side. So your answer is 100x, and now you know very well, need not to write कि 100 से multiply करना है, तो that means the decimal will shifted how many digit? Decimal will shifted 0, 2 zeros are there, 1 and 2. The 2 zero are there, so 2 digit will shifted. Means decimal will shifted toward the right after 2 digit. Means what is your answer? 37.6767 dash 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 dash. Equation number second. This is your second equation. And now what we do? Subtract. Subtract. Which one we subtract? First from second. First from second. Then what you have to write? We have to write equation first. So what is, second. What is the equation second? 100x is equal to 37.6767 dash 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 dash. And after that, what you have to write? Equation first. It is equation first is equal to, answer is 0.3767 dash 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 dash. Is it clear? And now we have to subtract. Minus. Here is 9x is equal to 770 660 770. Then your answer is point. Your answer is 760. This is your 0 0 0 and 6 minus 3. 3 7 is 7 and this is your 3. Is it clear? And now 9x is equal to 37.3. So x is equal to, then x equal to, can you tell me, 37.3 upon में 99 and x equal to 37.3 point will remove and 990. If it can simplify, then you can simplify. And between 373 upon 990 is the p by q form of this non-terminating repeating decimal. तो इस प्रकार 0.376 बार is equal to 373 upon 990. This is the p by q form of this decimal expansion. And by direct method of when the question will ask 1 marks, 0.376 bar, what we have to write? The complete value 376 लिख दिया, minus the number which are non-repeated. Means non-repeated is 3 upon में how many digits are repeated? 9. 2 digits are repeated. Sorry, 2 digits are repeated. So 2 9 and then 0. So what is your answer? 373 upon में 990. This is the direct method. And again 1.375472 bar. So what we have to do? 1472 minus, right complete number. Which value we have to subtract? 14. 14 is subtract upon. After decimal how many digit are repeat? After decimal how many digit are repeat? Decimal के बाद कितनी digit repeat है? 2 digit repeat है, 2 digit are repeat. तो इनकी जगह क्या आएगा? 9. इसकी जगह क्या आएगा? 9. इनकी जगह 9 9 and इसकी जगह what we will put? Place 0. तो So 990, it is your answer. So it means your answer is subtracted 8 and then 5 and then 4, this is 1 and 990, this is the decimal. This is the p by q form of this decimal expansion. इस प्रकार से हम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. These are the method. This is the one method, and there are two or more methods we have to discuss later on. If you can ask, then you can put your in comment box. Is it clear? And now, what you have to do? Your homework is exercise 1.3. All question except 1, 2, 3, except you have to do question homework. Exercise 1.3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. 7, 8, 9. This is your homework and we will discuss this tomorrow. Good day. Thank you.